To begin with, Mark, initially we were using, last year we were using, we have circle time incorporated in our timetable. And it's a circle time that is devised to create values through very enjoyable games, that are organized for the children. And we were using Jenny Mosley's circle time books. This year I was actually racking my brain, and your visit was so timely, and you brought the kit with you that we've immediately started because we've exhausted Jenny Mosley's activities. We do not have the other volumes, and so this came in it was a godsend. So it came in very handy. And at the beginning, what we did was I went through your books. I myself enjoyed, going through the stories. And what I did initially to begin with was making the teachers read the story, and went beyond the story, asking them, okay, if what do you learn from the story, what is the message that is being given. And we said, okay, what is that one thing that you are doing at home in terms of sharing, in terms of helping, in terms of working together, in terms of cooperation, so in terms of not cooling down your anger. So these are the things. Okay, in terms of cleanliness too. So once the teachers got impacted into the values, each value, I think it had a cascade effect. Transferring the same value to the children became very, very easy. And the proof is in the pudding. You can see the activities that have been done by children in the form of those flow charts that are just put up outside.
When we did the role play from the story, The Living Harmony, the children like the story. They pick up the sentences from the story, and they learn how to help, how to share. Now they are using that method.
We did the group activities like in a chart we did sharing. They expressed their feelings and they wrote all these things, and they only wrote and they asked us, is it right? Whatever is right for that answer. Yes, they love that story. And after story in recess time, recess time they share. Those are not sharing, they come to share, and those are not become friends. Afterwards they come to close to friends, becoming our friends, to making friends, new friends, and they love, now they love each other. It's a very useful, that story. After we did the story, we realized, okay, we have to do extra stories also. Thank you.
We definitely enjoy your stories. We are definitely looking forward to much more, things and building. I mean, they are the future of India, and the future of India is in their hands. So I believe these stories are coming in very, very handy. And thanks a lot to you.